Okay, open it up, Maddie.
Some orange juice.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Maddie.
Say hi.
Where's your mouth?
Hi, dearest Fuji. Where is it, Madeline? It was good. Where's your mouth?
Help her open it.
Madeline, that's your mouth.
Gotta help her open it. We'll be here till 2.
Oh.
Yay!
Yay! That's good. That's Madeline's mouth.
Yay. Okay, let's go.
What's wrong? Your allergies? Alright. What is this?
Whoa! Yay!
Yay!
Okay, do we have to record every single one?
Disney princess.
One of them, yeah.
No.
A lot.
Oh, you hold
Make
it.
sure we keep the jar.
I'll take pictures.
Yeah, we don't have to